Did you know Canada got its first Robinhood investing app called Wealthsimple? It has $0 trading commission fees, and you can feel free to sign up with the link down below in the description. I'm creating a series called the How-Tos of Wealthsimple, where we go over all the how-to questions that you might have as a viewer on how to use Wealthsimple. Welcome back to the Fire Grind. On this channel we talk about everything and anything that has to do with personal finance and helping you retire early. If you like this content or like puppies, smash that like button and click the subscribe so you can see how she grows up. Without further ado, let's get right into it. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make your first deposit. So if you log into the app with me, just click in the top left corner and that should open up this little menu bar, and you can choose to click the transfers. So once transfers opens, you can click add funds, and you can choose to add to which account, your personal, RSP, TFSA, or any other account you decide to sign up with. So I'm gonna add money to my personal account today. So hit the continue, then choose a dollar amount. So I'm gonna deposit $100. And this is from my checking account, which I have with TD. If you haven't connected a bank account, I'll be making another video in future days to show you how to connect a bank account. After that, you just confirm the details and hit submit deposit. And we wait for it to load, and we can see the deposit is on its way. It takes about 3 business days for it to enter into your account so that you can trade with it. So this is how to make your first deposit. If you enjoyed the video, please click the subscribe button so you can hear more about how-tos of Wealthsimple. Smash the like button if it was useful to you, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Keep up the grind and have a great day.